How to do a green screen in CapCut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open CapCut, import the background video, and then click on Effects at the bottom. Click on Video Effects, and then go to Lens, then select Blur Effect. After you have added blur effect in here, simply go back. Click on Overlay at the bottom. Click on Add Overlay and then add the video or picture with the green screen and adjust it to your frame. After you have done that, scroll at the bottom. You'll find Cutout. Click on it. Click on Chroma key and then Color Picker and then pick the green color like this. After it has picked the color, press on Intensity and adjust the intensity how you want. You can also increase or decrease shadow. After you're done, click on tick mark and then go back. As you can see, this is how to do a green screen in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.